Okay guys, here is your IELTS trainer Imran Rao, and now we are doing the labeling question, which is labeling the diagram, okay, for your IELTS reading skills of academic module. Okay, now let's have a look at the questions first. Alright. Now this is a type of a question which is called labeling a diagram, right? So it says, let's read the instructions first. Label the diagram below. Choose one or two words from the reading passage for each answer. Write your answers in boxes 12 to 15 on your answer sheet. Okay, so this is something which is called labeling the diagram. They will give you these diagrams. It could be any kind of diagram which is somewhere explained in your passage. Okay, all right, they talk about these shapes in your passage, and you have to go to that certain part, and then you have to find out what this shape is called, what this means, what it says about these shapes. Okay, so and then you have to write. Okay, but choose one or two words. This is your instruction. So this time you're not going to write 3 words, but you're only limited to write 1 or 2 words. Okay, so let's go and find out Zulu beadwork code, where they're talking about the Zulu beadwork code. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, the beadwork. Alright, we are scanning this time. Once we get the beadwork, the code, these are the words we're looking for, right? Or any synonyms related to that. Okay. We're not saying anything here. No. Okay. And the first lines of every paragraph is very important, you know. Okay. All right. We don't have that in this paragraph. The codes. Here we have the codes. Zulu people were not fooled into believing that glass beads were precious stones, but rather used the beads to establish certain codes and rituals in their society. Okay, so let's see if they're talking about the codes related to those. Okay, we're known to wear beads, regalias, or heavy attendance. Zulu beads. Alright, religious, political, family, marriages. Alright, so the craft, educational tools, source of recreation, fashion. Alright, okay. We're not talking about any shapes here. No. Here again we have the word code. This is very important, the code. The code behind Zulu beadwork. Okay, here we have it. The code behind Zulu beadwork is relatively basic and extremely resistant to change. A simple triangle is the geometric shape used in almost all beaded items. Alright. A triangle with the apex pointing downwards. A triangle with the apex. Apex means the point, the upper side of that. The pointing downwards signifies an unmarried man. Alright, so let's have a look at our shapes. Shape number 1, the apex. This is called the apex. This part, it is facing downwards. Alright, so it means that a triangle with the apex pointing downwards signifies an unmarried man. So our answer is this one, because the question was choose 1 or 2 words from the passage. Alright, what it says, the word code. So number 12 is unmarried man. Okay, unmarried man, because it is pointing downwards. Alright, while one with the tip pointing upward is worn by an unmarried woman. Alright, so it's easy now. This one is pointing upward, so this is for unmarried women. So our answer would be unmarried woman. Okay, so these are 2 words. Okay, more. The married women wear items, two triangles that form a diamond shape. Alright, the diamond shape, you know what the diamond looks like? This is the diamond. Alright, upwards and downwards. Okay, so this is the married women. Okay, so married women wears, it means that this shape is for the married women. So 14 is the married women, and after that we have and married men. And married men signify their marital status, the two triangles that form an hourglass shape. Okay, so it is like an hourglass. Okay, hourglass is sort of a the in old times people used to measure time with this device called hourglass. All right, but they're also telling you that they're pointing, the tips are pointing here, right? Because it says married men signifies their marital status with two triangles that form an hourglass. All right, so this is the shape. So the answer for number 13 is married men. Okay, so that's how we are doing the labeling the diagram question. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, here is your IELTS trainer Imran Rao, and now